This is Daisy with the hiccups. Daisy! Daisy!
The place of Susan's freedom.
That's cute.
Surgery by her mother's hand.
She wanted to remove the bullet that was lodged stuff in her back because she didn't want at some time in the future for this bullet to be discovered and for law enforcement to come back and arrest her.